G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is October 27, the Thursday update. Again, we do these updates twice a week, Mondays and Thursdays. And you can see here on the, this is the natural gas analysis. This is the hourly, the 4 hourly and the daily chart. And what I've done here, I've drawn a vertical line on our last update we did. As I mentioned last time, it did actually retrace. Natural gas price actually came down quite sharply in the last few weeks, but it did make a bounce on Monday, which is where we drew this line. You can see here where that line was drawn on the 4 hourly chart and the hourly. And since then it's advanced quite nicely in retracing back. Again, I wouldn't get too confident with long positions for a couple of reasons. Number one, looking at the stochastic, it came down and bounced off this midpoint, and it's bouncing off the overbought area again. So very likely it's going to come down again soon. The stochastic, that's the stochastic 100. The CCI 1500 is still in a pretty strong downtrend, and the two moving averages are not really moving closer together. So I'd like to see that come closer to the weighted moving average 400 there before getting too confident with long positions. On the 4 hour chart, you can see here on the overbought area, it is curving up. So potentially it may retrace a bit more, but again, we want to be very cautious about that because the daily is showing a curve down from the overbought territory. Likewise, the CCI 1500 is still in a pretty strong down trajectory. On the hourly chart, again, you could have made some pips had you gone long in this particular case, but it would have been a very minimal gain without being too risky in your positions. But again, it's coming up towards the oversold area to break through, but again, it's starting to curve down slightly. So it could well play down in this area for some time. I'd like to see, again, like all these, I'd like to see the CCI 1500 break in a more positive territory, coming closer towards the moving average, before becoming more positive and confident in any long trades. At this point, I'd maintain short positions only. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button and click the notification bell to get all updates. Market updates will be posted on Mondays and Thursdays each week. If you want to support the channel further, then subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing and speak to you in the next video.